In this video we are going to be covering our simulator tool, which will allow you to simulate the user interface and see how each button will react to your presses. But remember, this simulator tool will not execute any of the commands to any of the devices that are connected to the control system. To execute the command and to have a testing tool for the command, we have another tool that is available on the software that we will cover in further videos. Now, to demonstrate our simulator, we will have to first add some commands to our buttons. So for example, we have a button like light. I want, when I press this button, it sends me to this page. Now let's go back and add a command to it. In this case, the command will be at the bottom here as a link command. As soon as you press on it here, it will show you here the list of pages that you can link to. Those pages are exactly the same pages available here, and if you add a page here, it will show in both sides. Now for the light, we are going to link it for light, for example, and then I can go to the light page and make sure that back to home page also is linked to home page, so that when I use the simulator, I can actually go back to the home page again. We can also link another page like blind, and again I can go to link and link it to the blind page, and go to blind page and link it back to home page. Now let's try the simulator tool and see what we did. As you can see, this is the exact user interface that we created, and if I press on light, it takes me to the light page, which means your command is correct. Now again, if I press on back to home page, should take me back to home page. We can also try blind, and I can go back as well. Now again, remember, in this page, if I am connected to blinds through relay port and I try to press up or down, the commands will not be executed on the blinds. This is mainly for demonstrating or reviewing the user interface you created and how each button will react in real life. To execute the commands, we have another testing tool that will be covered in other tutorial videos. This was our simulator video